Imagine a building that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie, yet it stands tall and proud in the heart of Dubai today. This is no ordinary architectural marvel, it's the Dubai Museum of the Future, a testament to the power of innovation and forward-thinking design. The unique, ethereal structure of this building is not born of traditional blueprints. Nay, it's the result of something called parametric design. Now, you might be wondering what's that? Well, parametric design is a method of designing based on algorithmic thinking. It allows architects to manipulate and play around with design parameters to create structures that were, until recently, the stuff of dreams. In essence, it's a way of using mathematics and algorithms to sculpt the world around us. And that's exactly what the architects did with the Museum of the Future. With the use of parametric design, the architects have indeed brought the future to the present. Well, what if I told you that robots played a significant role in the construction of this architectural marvel? Indeed they did. The Dubai Museum of the Future owes much of its awe-inspiring design to the ingenious use of 3D printing and robotic arms. These technologies have revolutionized the construction process, making it faster, more efficient, and less wasteful. Let's delve into how this process unfolded. First, 3D printing came into play. This process, also known as additive manufacturing, involves creating three-dimensional objects from a digital file. For the museum, parts of its intricate latticework and other complex components were 3D printed, but the magic doesn't stop there. Once these pieces were ready, robotic arms took center stage. These highly precise machines were tasked with the crucial job of placing the 3D printed components accurately. Imagine a gigantic, complex puzzle where each piece has to fit perfectly into place. That's exactly what these robotic arms accomplished. Their precision and consistency contributed significantly to the museum's seamless, futuristic look. The use of these technologies also meant a drastic reduction in waste. Traditional construction methods often result in surplus materials that end up in landfills. However, with 3D printing, the exact amount of material needed is used, and not a speck more. This is a big step towards more sustainable construction practices. Moreover, these techniques have also enhanced the speed and efficiency of the construction process. Tasks that would take humans days or even weeks to complete, robots and 3D printers can accomplish in a fraction of the time. This not only saves time but also reduces labor costs, making the whole process more cost-effective. In essence, the utilization of 3D printing and robotic arms in the construction of the Dubai Museum of the Future has set a new benchmark. We are now at the cusp of a new era, where these technologies are no longer the stuff of science fiction, but tools that can bring our most ambitious architectural dreams to life. Thus, robots and 3D printing have not just built a museum, but a new pathway for future constructions. The Museum of the Future is not just about futuristic design and construction, but also about a sustainable future. With this in mind, the planning and execution of this architectural marvel have been guided by principles of sustainability. This translates to a keen focus on the use of renewable energy sources. The museum harnesses the power of the sun, a resource that Dubai has in abundance, to generate electricity, reducing reliance on non-renewable sources. Moreover, the materials used in the construction of the museum are energy efficient. This ensures that the building maintains an optimal temperature, without an over-reliance on energy-intensive air conditioning. The construction practices, too, have been sustainable. The builders prioritized reducing waste and recycling wherever possible, paving the way for a greener construction model that other buildings could follow. Hence, the Museum of the Future stands as a testament to Dubai's commitment to a sustainable and innovative future. It's not just a building but a beacon, illuminating the path towards a more sustainable world. So, what does all this mean for the future of construction and architecture? Well, it's clear that the building blocks of tomorrow are far from traditional. Parametric design is not just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool that brings together mathematics, art, and technology, enabling architects to create structures that were once thought impossible. 3D printing and robotic arms are revolutionizing the construction process, making it quicker, safer, and more precise. They allow for the production of complex, bespoke pieces and help reduce waste, aligning the industry with sustainability goals. Speaking of sustainability, it's more than just a trend. It's a necessary shift that's shaping the future of architecture. From energy-efficient designs to the use of recycled materials, architects are finding creative ways to minimize the environmental footprint of their creations. As we explore these innovative techniques, we're not just talking about the future, we're experiencing it. As we marvel at the Dubai Museum of the Future today, we are indeed looking into the future of architecture and construction,